Alright fam, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, I am freaking sick, but the car needs to get back on the road. I'm not joking. I got the flu. Medicine is right here. I feel like crap, but the car has been messing up. My buddy Xavier just showed up to the house, so let's go talk to him. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hold on, I'm getting foggy over here. What the fuck?
One or what?
Hold on.
One left. It's getting hot.
Okay. We have a little problem. Oh fuck.
Here. Why you keep getting foggy?
Because it's fucking humid out here.
Let it fucking...
Alright. We have a little problem.
What is it?
Do you see the camera here?
No, where is it? I was gonna ask you where's the camera.
Madison has it.
Oh, okay.
And the starter's in it. Oh fuck, dude. I was just recording. I was like, okay, and then we gotta go get the starter real quick. And then I was like, oh no.
Where is she?
Oh, dude.
Don't tell me she's like far.
No, she's at the mall.
Oh. Man.
Okay. So the predicament we're in right now is now we don't have a starter. The car doesn't turn at all. So we need to figure out how to jump it or try to roll start it. And now I guess we need to go to the mall and pick up the starter in my other car because my girlfriend's driving my other car. What do you wanna do?
Sucks, bro.
What do you wanna do?
You're the one who's got work in the morning.
Yeah, he's right. I got work at literally like 6 in the morning and it's 8 o'clock at night right now, so we have to hurry and do whatever we gotta do. I just posted another picture on my Instagram. This guy said, good luck with that third bolt. Everyone's literally saying it's gonna be a pain in the ass, bro.
They have big hands, I got small hands. How are we gonna get this bitch off the ground?
What? Oh, did you bring the ramps?
I bring everything.
Oh, like...
Start this bitch.
Oh yeah, we're gonna... I'm thinking that we're gonna literally like reverse it out of the driveway and then like push it all the way until we get around there, and then we're just gonna push with all of our might, and then I'm gonna try to kickstart it right here. And then once it's started, we're good. You know what I'm saying? All we have to do is literally like once it's started, we could drive it up on ramps, like probably where your truck is, and then put it up on jack stands, and then we'll be alright. But I'm hopefully it kickstarts.
Jump start. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? My mechanic said that even if the starter's like completely trashed, that we should be able to do it.
Have you tried hitting it with the hammer?
No, we can't get to it. That's how fucking low my car is, dude. That's what sucks. I guess we're going to the mall. Alright, hold on. God damn, I hate coming to the mall. I can tell, man, I'm sick. I give no fucks. I literally came to the mall in chocolates. I don't care, bro. Lee. Where's his car at? Where is his car? Bro, oh my god, the car's all the way over there. Look, I'm heated. Damn camera. Let's put the starter out of here real quick. Starter? Alright, so we're back at the house finally. We finally got the starter. The starter has been messing up for a couple of days now. It started like a screeching noise when I was going to start the car, and I kind of figured that the starter was going to go out, but I didn't think it was going to go out already. When I go to start the car, you guys will see right now. Let me pick it up. I literally go to turn the key, foot on the clutch, the fuel pump primes. I'm turning it right now. There's literally nothing. Before it would click a little bit. It would click, or it would click like 2 times, and then it would start, but it was like real slow. So I mean, I'm almost positive that it's a fucking starter, but right now I guess we're gonna try to roll it down the driveway, and we're gonna try to push it, I guess, and we're gonna try to pop this clutch and see what it does. All right, real quick, X just said that Cletus has done this on his video before, doing it backwards. So we need to go down the driveway, and I was thinking we're gonna go down the driveway and go around the cul-de-sac, but if we could pop the clutch going in reverse, I think I'll have enough speed to go down the driveway, and then we can just pop it real quick. So I'm gonna let X record. Let's see how this fucking goes. fuck, I'm scared. Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh, it almost did.
That's lit, bro. I didn't think that was gonna fucking work.
Put it halfway up the driveway and leave it running.
Alright. What the fuck? Yeah, bro, what the fuck? That's crazy. I'm like shaking. Bro, that's fucking weird, bro. Oh my god, that's crazy. But when it jerks like that, I was like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Bro, I didn't let it out slow. The first time I let it out slow, and it just jerked.
Yeah.
When I did it, I just fucking popped that bitch.
Yeah, it's supposed to. That car is probably so old and the clutch is on it.
Yeah.
You just barely gotta let go.
It's alive now. Oh my god. Bro, how does that work, bro? How does that fucking work?
Because it makes your engine start spinning, and when you pop the clutch, it grabs the engine and
That's fucking weird. That's kind of badass though about a manual transmission, how you can do that. You know what I'm saying?
You can do that in the standard.
Yeah, if you ever.
Try to pull it like halfway up with the ramps.
Yeah, let's do that. So we were gonna do it on the street, but you know, I kind of figured if we could get in far enough in the driveway, we could do the thing in here, so we're not on a gravel street. So I'm gonna try to move all this crap out of the way, and then we'll see what to do. Let me get a different angle for these guys real quick. I can hear this exhaust going on. Alright, here we go. This is how we got it set up right now. We got boards, the ramps, and we got the jack stand, everything else. We got some power tools. Let's go, man. By the way, real quick, I want to apologize that it's nighttime right now. The way that I work and stuff, I work from like 6 in the morning, which is dark time, all the way to about 6 at night. Now, after daylight savings time, it's fucking dark by like 6:30, so X and me are like on a tight schedule. So, like I said earlier, it's later now. What fucking time is it?
Like 8:30, 9 almost.
Oh fuck! Fucking, where's my phone? What time is it?
9:03.
It's 9:03, and I gotta be at work at 6 in the morning. So, let's try to do this shit real quick. Let's try to locate this fucking starter first. I have never seen a starter on one of these cars. I got a little bit of a leak over here in the front. It should be right there by that exhaust going down. Can you see it or no? Alright, so we ended up not being able to change it. If you guys have ever tried to change a starter on one of these cars, I've changed a starter on my old Jeep that I used to have. I changed a starter on this diesel truck. I've changed it on my brother's diesel truck. I've changed starters before. The third bolt on the top of the starter, where's the other one at? Okay. As you guys can see, right here, these two bolts you can get to. The second one is kind of a bitch, but this third one up here, am I looking at it the wrong way? Yeah. These two bolts right here are easy to get to. This third one is a pain in the ass, and I don't even feel like fucking with it right now. Honestly, to get to the third one, my dad recommended us taking the bolt off the K-member and jacking it up to get to the third one. And you know what? I don't even feel like doing that. Little update for you guys. The PI heads should be going on pretty soon with the cams. I just got my ARP head studs in. I got all of the Felpro gaskets, everything that I need. So So I should be dropping the car off here pretty soon. So while the heads are off, I'm gonna go ahead and tell him just to slap the starter in while we're there, because if the head was off, it would be super easy, and he has a lift over there, so this guy's gonna be able to change it easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video anyways. He was like, what are you gonna do? You gonna delete the video? I was like, yeah, I'm gonna delete it, but you know what, I haven't uploaded for you guys, so I'll just include this in there. It's kind of a fail video of me trying to put the starter in. I don't care, you know. I want to send a shout out to X anyways. That boy came and tried to help us out, but there was no way we were fucking doing this shit today, so we're packing up his truck right now. And we will see what time brings with the car, man. Hopefully we can do it here pretty soon, but he's pretty backed up with work, so there's no telling. I just want to kind of bring an update video to you guys, telling y'all that I do have my ARP hit hardware in, Felpro gaskets, like I said, head bolts. You know, I got everything that I need. I think so. Coolant, engine oil, filter. I got everything, man. So it was just a matter of time. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for not being able to do that, show you guys, honestly. Just get underneath there and y'all be able to check it out. But we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Ready for this now, but I'll be there when my time comes. Ready for this now.